Looking for a compact tenoning machine that saves floor space while still delivering reliable productivity and consistent machining quality? Take a closer look at the QUOC single-end CNC tenoner with dual working tables. With two working tables, the machine allows operators to prepare the next workpiece while the other table is being machined, helping reduce idle time and keep production running efficiently. Its compact design makes it a practical solution for factories looking to automate the tenoning process without investing in a large-scale production system. The machine can produce different types of tenons, making it suitable for a wide range of solid wood applications, including tables, chairs, wooden frames, and other furniture components. For factories transitioning from manual tenoning to CNC machining, this solution can help improve consistency, reduce dependence on operator skill, and maintain more stable output quality. And here are some real machining samples produced on the machine for you to take a closer look at its capabilities. If you are looking for a single-end CNC tenoner and need help choosing the right configuration for your production requirements, contact quocduy for professional consultation.